The images that you see on your television screen, those are Taliban forces at the border targeting Pakistani security forces, Pakistan Army posts. And Mullah Yaqub is very clear, if Kabul is attacked, and indication are that if there's an airstrike on Kabul, there will be a ground strike in Islamabad. The indication, suicide bombers of Taliban or of Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan will hit Pakistan, whether it's in Islamabad, in Lahore or in Rawalpindi. Afghanistan has doubled down. It's warned of insecurity. It said that insecurity in Kabul means no peace in Islamabad. Afghanistan is primed to wage a war for a decade if pushed. These are words of Mullah Yaqub, and this isn't bluster, this isn't rhetoric, because the Taliban, they fought multiple forces for decades. It's a direct threat in response to Pakistan's Defense Minister Khwaja Asif threatening Kabul, declaring this is open war. Tensions in the current round started around mid-February when Pakistan carried out devastating airstrikes on Kabul, Kandahar and in the eastern part of Afghanistan. So Kabul was targeted, Kandahar was targeted, Nangarhar was targeted, Paktika was targeted. Pakistan alleges that terrorists of TTP, Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan, they carry out terror attacks inside Pakistan and then they seek shelter in Afghanistan. Kabul hit back with large-scale ground offensive, inflicting what both sides admit are very heavy casualties along the AFPAC border. Hundreds dead in cross-border clashes in recent months. In fact, Afghanistan has repeatedly dismissed Pakistan's demand to target TTP or Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan, claiming there are no TTP in territory that Pakistan perceives is in Afghanistan territory. They say that all of this is imaginary, it's unrealistic. They in fact blame Islamabad's own security failures, saying that it is Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan, they live in Pakistan, they carry out strikes in Pakistan, and Pakistan Army and government in the past have paid money to them. It's your internal problem, you sort it out internally. But do keep in mind, since the August 2021 takeover of Kabul by Taliban, TTP attacks in Pakistan have surged 50% in the previous year, 2025. And this fuels Islamabad's fury and thus the airstrikes. But Mullah Yaqub's message is clear. Poke us in the eye, there will be consequences for Islamabad. Clearly, this isn't a neighborly a fight. This isn't something, a spat that's happening in the neighborhood. This is a very serious war where Afghanistan says we don't even recognize the existence of Pakistan. So it's hurting Pakistan in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, it's hurting Pakistan in Baluchistan, and Pakistan has reached out to Saudi Arabia and Turkey, hoping they may prevail upon the Taliban to de-escalate and not increase tensions, not just in KPK, but also in the restive Baluchistan province.